Can you imagine earning money without lifting a finger? It sounds like a dream, right? Well, in this video I'll show you exactly the site that will pay you by just having an app on your phone, and they just pay you without doing anything. Just install the app on your phone and they pay you instantly. I'll show you the app. It sounds too good to be true, right? But it's possible, and I'll show you in this video. Just install the app on your phone and they will pay you instantly. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. I'm Chido original, and welcome to my know-how channel. In this channel I teach you everything and anything you need to know about making money online, about investing your money, as well as making your money work for you. So you might consider subscribing to this channel so you won't miss out on any important update. I drop videos 2 times every week, so subscribe, hit that red subscribe button right now, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. So in today's topic, I'll be telling you guys a site that will pay you without lifting a finger by just installing their app on your phone, right? And they will pay you bucks. It's more like a passive income. So the name of the site is Neocortex. So open up your browser and search for neocortex.com. Neocortex, see the spelling, that's neocortex.com. That's neocortex.com. Just open up neocortex.com and it will load up. As you can see, it's a cloud service on worldwide mobile devices. Let me quickly give you guys a breakdown what this website does. This website, what they do is actually you install an application on your phone, and what the app does is that it makes use of your CPU, your phone CPU processor. And what it needs your CPU processor for is not like tracking your data or your information or your location and all that. It doesn't need that. What it needs is more like, for example, track the speed of how a website loads, because this company, what they do is they bridge the gap, or they help businesses that have websites online to track a user interface, how the user feels about their website and all that. They track maybe this loading speed of their website through a user, maybe a user in Nigeria. They track how their website is loading, the speed. So in able to track that, for them to track that, they need your CPU processor, right? They need it. So that's what they actually need. They need information, access to track all those particular data, but are not using any of your private data. Is listed here. I'll show you guys how to use it, right? I'll show you guys. So this is cool, and all you need is a smartphone and internet connection, just a fast internet connection and a smartphone. And I'll show you guys how it works. Cloud service on worldwide mobile devices, right? So it helps companies. As you can see, some of the big brands are this. I don't want to open this, but you can see the list of brands that are working with. So it's not like a common company. They have big brands like this, get fair user interface, how their user experience is, how their website is, and all that, how the experience is. So they just get feedback. So all you have to do is just to install the app on your phone. Once you install it on your phone, you just go to sleep and you earn money, right? How cool is that? And once you load up this site, the platform we're making use of is phone paycheck. Just click it right there, phone paycheck, and it will load up. As you can see, make money with your phone, as simple as that. And you can install the app on Google Play. If I click right now, it will open up Google Play. So for you guys using Android phones, you can just simply install this app. I can't install it right now because this is a window. I'm using a window to show you guys. But whereas if this is an Android phone, you can easily see the install button or download button. You can just download it and it will be on your phone, and you just grant it access to make use of your processor and all that, and you start using your processor, and you can start making it to work for you guys. So leave a comment in the comment section below, or if you have any questions so far, just drop it. As like, you know me, I always respond to all my questions. I don't miss any of them. I respond to all of them. So leave it, and if you are getting value already, just smack that like button real hard, smash it real hard, and share this video with your friends, especially in this pandemic period that we are in, so that they can gain value and benefit as well, just like you are doing, as much as you are doing right now. So let me just give you guys a quick tour on this site. Easy money get paid to let us use your smartphone processor while you are not using it. As you can see, your smartphone processor while you are not even using it, so it's more like a passive kind of stuff. Download the app and start earning. How easy is that? As you can see how much you are able to earn. I'll show you guys way trick to earn way more, so make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video and watch every tip I'm showing you guys. You might miss a tip and this might not work exactly how you intend it to be. So to be too good to be true, no, they're trying to tell you, and see what they won't disturb you with. They won't no scooping, they won't scoop through your personal information and all that. Just like I told you guys, like your photos and videos that you just have on your gallery and all that, your conversation, maybe your WhatsApp conversation, your precise location, they won't use any of that. Your no ads, you won't have all these disturbing ads and all that. They won't flood your phone with ads, and no evil. They don't sell your information to illegal companies to use it to hunt you and all that. So now show me the money. Top earnings users earn, as you can see, they earn up to this per year. That's 80 per year, but I'll show you guys a way to earn more, way more. So stay tuned. That's a bonus tip I'm showing you guys right there. So for letting us use your phone while it's charging 8 hours at night, and or earn up to 240 per year. That's 240 per year for spare phone charging at all time, and you can earn up to 320 per year for your main phone and one spare phone. So you can add your main phone and add a spare phone, and you can add up to 5 phones. So if you keep reading right here, I encourage you guys to carefully read this. Once you go up to this site, this your Cortex phone check, you can be able to read this. And one good thing, it works on all locations, only available on Android. So it's only available on Android phones. For those of you guys using iPhones, well, this particular one is not for you, but I have other ones for you guys coming up on my channel. So make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss out on any important update. So limited to 5 phones per user, so 5 phones, and they said you can earn up to the 320 per year for main phone and one spare phone. Imagine if you add up to 5 phones, that means you can add up to like 500 or even 1,000 per year, and it's all passive. You're not doing anything, not doing shit, so it's more passive. So it's like a win for you. Just leave it there. So if you don't mind just having it on your phone and tracking maybe how your loading speed of your website and all that, they're not using your personal information like they said right here, so you have nothing to worry about. Just leave it, and a year you can earn up to that. So add it on maybe on your phone. If you have a tab or a tablet or a pad or all that, you can still add it as well, so it can make a way more revenue for you. So giving to the people instead of buying lots of computers and paying to the world in their ideal phone, opportunity to donate their earnings to favorite causes and other. So it's a very great way to start making it happen for you guys. So real quick, I want to show you guys how I'll go back down here to payments. I want to show you guys something way to earn way more, the bonus I promised you guys. So before I go into deep on this, I would like you to check out my EP. I dropped an EP, Africana Vibes. It's on the description box below. Just check it out. It's there. Maybe you want to hear what African sounds like, right? You want to get the feel how it is. Just check it out. It's dope, and it's available on all media platforms. It's available on all of them. So all right, moving on, I'll dive in right now. So active rates, you can, that's active means once you activate it on your phone and it's operating, like it's tracking all this information I told you guys about. That's what they mean by active. And standby, that is not on, it's not tracking. That means you can earn even if it's not tracking, but it's way less. I won't encourage anybody to do this. As you can see, it's like 0.0006 whatever per hour. Man, that's like nothing, right? That's nothing. You can't, what's this? You can't make it, you can't be like a big person, a big boy, a big girl with this. So it's nothing. And you can see it's like six bucks per year. It's nothing. So this one is where the magic is. So as you can see, 0.02 hour and 240 bucks a year full-time use. So I will encourage you to use this active gold. This is the plan you have to use for this website. So just download the app on your phone and start making use of it, and add it as much phones up to 5. So once you add it up to 5, you can be able to make 1,000, right? That's $1,000 per year full time. So that's what I will encourage you guys to do. Just do it real quick. Just install it and click the playlist that will pop up on your screen right now. Just click on that playlist. Click on the playlist that will pop on your screen and watch the whole entire video. It will benefit you. Learn more ways to make money online. So that's what I do in this channel, and I will see you on my next video.